Hello, David here, and the project for today is, well, it's time to have the talk. And that talk is safe sex. If you have two or more vacuum cleaners, do not leave them unattended without putting a condom on one of them. You didn't believe that, did you? I didn't think so. Anyway, I did several videos back on the Bissell 16N5 vacuum cleaner. I had a repair work to do on it. Then I put out an appeal for a parts vacuum. Nobody responded to my appeal, but I did find the parts vacuum on eBay. They're not a sponsor. It was about, I don't know, about 110 miles away for $20. And we happened to be in the neighborhood, so we just went in there and picked it up so we didn't have to pay shipping. So what happened on this vacuum? As you know, Bissell outsourced their manufacturing to Communist China. They're not made in the USA anymore. No parts are not available anymore. There's no customer service anymore. They figure it's best if you just buy a new vacuum cleaner every several years. The plastic is brittle, and what happened was the vacuum is designed to be lifted by this handle on the dustbin. For some reason, when I picked it up by this handle, I don't think the latch was securely latched, and this part broke off. Yeah, the rest of the part looks like this. Just snapped right off over there. Goes onto this part. So I've been latching it with this bungee cord. It's been doing a good job of holding it together. Also, this deck is cracked, so I was going to get this part and replace it, but to get into there, you have to take this whole dustbin apart to get up in here. So I thought, if that's a good dustbin on this other model, I'll just swap dustbins, and I'll hang on to this in case I need this for parts. And what else? And I'll take the that deck off of that and put it onto here. Let's unwrap the parts vacuum, see what we've got. By the way, from now on, every time I lift the vacuum, I lift it with two hands. Not only do I grab it here on this handle, but there's a ledge right under here where the cord loops around for storage. I get my fingers under there and I lift it like that, just to ensure I don't break any more of this plastic. Woo-wee! It looks like Antifa was here. Either that or this vacuum got stuck in downtown Portland. Okay, looking this over, I see we have a crack over here. It's missing the hose, which comes out of here and wraps around here. Then it has an extension. It has one of these things that would go under there. I don't need that. The cord holder, that's busted, and I busted the one on mine. I was able to order that online. That seems to be one of the only parts that's available. I wish I found this sooner because I did replace this handle. I cracked the handle on mine. And this is the part I need. Yeah, it's I'll just use this whole thing. I don't like the paint on there. I'll see if it'll come off with some acetone or some type of cleaner. Got some abrasions on here. Any cracks? This part is scratched, not cracked. I could probably use this lower part from my old vacuum. It's pretty clean though, there's no dust in there. That's odd, isn't it? It's got the filter in there. It has this bottom filter. Yep, it's got that, I think that's a HEPA filter. That's in there. Let's see if it powers up. Got the sheet from the previous owner. Powers on and off. It sucks. Yes, it does suck. It's got a belt, agitator, missing the hose. The agitator only spins by hand, not with power. You know, it would have been nice if he listed this on the eBay ad. Would have been helpful. I would have bought it anyway for $20. It's got the parts I need. I guess I have to have this latched in to turn it on. Okay, make sure it clicks into place before you lift it. See, when you drop this down from here, this agitator should spin, and it's not spinning. Take this off and see if I could clean the paint off of it. I got most of the paint off the top half. I was able to polish the scratches that were around there. So I had to use acetone. There's still some remnants of paint on there. But it looks a lot better. I'm not worried about the bottom half because I'm not going to be using the bottom half for now. I forgot to show you guys on my original vacuum. This latch broke and I had to JB weld it. It's been holding, but like I said, this plastic's really fragile. I've got a playlist of my vacuum repairs. I'll try to put a link at the top somewhere in this video. Okay, I'm going to remove the deck from the old machine. Find the right size screwdriver. Too small. So when I took the cover off of the donor vacuum, I found the crack. Right there. So I patched that up with some JB weld on both sides. And I also found the receptacle for the screw was cracked and broken off. I found the piece and I glued that back into place. So it had a day to set, so I'm going to assemble it back together again. Going to be real gentle putting the screw in because I don't want to break that. So there are 8 screws holding the cover on. I'm going to start putting them in now. Yeah, don't pick it up until you're sure that this latch actually clips into place, because that's how the old one broke. Let's try it out. That's great, it's working like it's supposed to. And this donor vacuum, I'm going to put it in my vacuum graveyard so I could use it again the next time a piece of plastic breaks on the old Bissell. I'd like to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because it sure helps my algorithms. For more great videos from David GPO.